Wrecking Ball in the style of Linkin Park. Okay. Anthony Vincent Official. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He has this amazing ability to take people's requests, all kinds of songs and genres, and make them metal or Linkin Park style or whatever people request. Let's see if he can do this one. Can he? Is it going to sound any good?
Wrecking Ball in the style of Linkin Park. All right, we're going to do it. I'm going to ask my buddy Mac Lockheed to join me this time. Mac, do you accept the challenge?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's go.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We jumped, never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell of love.
That sounds
No one
good.
could deny. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live a lie running for my life. I will always want you.
Here we go.
I came in like a
Heck yes. Okay, guys. Yeah. Heck yes. I like that better than the original. Anthony Vincent Official and Mac Glocky. Gentlemen, you killed this one. That was amazing.